Welcome to Rapid Reader, your go-to destination for condensed summaries of impactful books designed to save you valuable reading time by capturing key insights. Today, we'll explore all aspects of money like earning, saving, investing, and more. This book isn't just about checks or interest rates, but about life decisions like insurances and retirement planning. Now let's dive into Ramit Sethi's book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, a guide to becoming financially aware. Get ready, financial awareness isn't as daunting as it seems. Kickstarting this journey, we delve into the realm of credit cards. The mention of credit cards might be intimidating, but author Ramit Sethi enlightens us in his book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Sethi presents credit cards not as a financial downfall but as a tool that, when understood and managed well, can provide immense benefits. Understanding interest rates, annual fees, and reward systems is key. Proper management means timely bill payments and maintaining a good credit score. Doing so optimizes your credit card, leading to better loans and cashback rewards. Remember, credit cards aren't your enemies, but tools to help you build a rich life. In Chapter 2 we take on the banks, and yes, we can beat them at their own game. Imagine a world where you're not just a number in the banking system, but a master of it. You're not just surviving, but thriving. That's the world Ramit Sethi introduces us to in this chapter of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. One of the first things Sethi advises is to navigate the banking system successfully. It's about understanding how banks operate and how you can maximize your benefits within that system. For instance, knowing how to negotiate your way out of bank charges or how to get the best deals on loans. It's not about outsmarting the banks, it's about being smart with your money. Next, Sethi talks about the importance of high-interest savings accounts. Now you might be thinking, high-interest savings account? In this economy? And you're right to be skeptical, but Sethi assures us that they do exist, and their benefits are not to be overlooked. These accounts can help your money grow while you're busy living your life. It's like having a little money-making machine in your pocket. But how do we find these mythical high-interest savings accounts? Well, that's where online banks come into play. Sethi suggests that online banks often offer better interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. The reason is simple. Online banks have lower overhead costs, which allows them to pass the savings on to you. Finally, Sethi emphasizes the importance of avoiding unnecessary fees. Banks are notorious for their hidden fees, and it's easy to get caught in their web. But with a little vigilance and a lot of knowledge, you can avoid these pesky fees and keep your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your pocket. In essence, Sethi is teaching us to be the captains of our own financial ships. He's showing us that with the right knowledge and a little bit of courage we can take on the big bad banks and come out on top. Mastering your bank accounts is the first step to financial freedom. Chapter 3 equips you with the knowledge to confidently step into the world of investing. So buckle up as we dive into this exciting journey. First off, investing isn't as daunting as it often seems. It's essentially about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. Imagine having a team of dollar bills, all hustling and bustling to multiply themselves. That's what investing can do for you. Now, let's touch on the basics of investing. It's the process of putting your money in various assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the expectation that your investment will grow over time. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a big fruit-bearing tree in the future. But remember, the key to successful investing is patience. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth over time. Next, let's demystify the stock market. Picture it as a giant supermarket of companies. Buying a stock means buying a piece of a company. You're essentially becoming a part owner. And as the company grows and makes a profit, so does your investment. But of course, the stock market isn't all rainbows and sunshine. It has its ups and downs. The trick is not to panic when the market dips. As Warren Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." Now that we've got the basics down, let's talk about how to start investing. It's simpler than you might think. First, determine your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education? Next, understand your risk tolerance. How much market fluctuation can you stomach? Finally, choose your investment. This could be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate. In conclusion, don't let the world of investing intimidate you. With the right knowledge, you can navigate it confidently and make it work for you. Remember, investing isn't a gamble, it's a strategic game where knowledge is power. Chapter 4 introduces the concept of conscious spending, a game changer in financial management. This isn't about penny pinching or denying yourself the latte you so dearly love. No, my friends, Conscious spending is about understanding where your money goes and making deliberate decisions about how to spend it. Imagine you're on a boat. You wouldn't just let the waves carry you wherever they please, would you? No, you'd steer the boat, chart your course, and make sure you're headed in the right direction. That's what conscious spending is all about, taking control of your financial ship. Now, how do we do this? First, we need to understand our expenses. And I mean really understand them. It's not enough to know that you spend a lot on food or entertainment. You need to know exactly how much you're spending and on what. This might sound tedious, but trust me, it's enlightening. Next, we need to budget. Wait, don't run away just yet. Budgeting isn't a punishment, it's a tool. It's a way to ensure that your spending aligns with your values. Do you value travel? Great. Budget for it. Do you value experiences over things? Fantastic. Budget for it. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. Lastly, we need to look for ways to save. This doesn't mean you have to start clipping coupons or living off ramen noodles. Though if that's your thing, more power to you. Saving can be as simple as cutting back on unnecessary expenses, negotiating better deals, or automating your savings. The key is to make saving a habit, not a chore. Remember, conscious spending isn't about cutting back on everything. It's about cutting back on the things that don't matter, so you can spend more on the things that do. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. With conscious spending, every dollar you spend or save is a step towards a richer life. Imagine saving money while you sleep. Chapter 5 shows you how. You've probably heard the saying, make your money work for you. But what if we could take it a step further? What if your money could work for you while you're catching up on your beauty sleep? Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, Ramit Sethi, in his book I Will Teach You to Be Rich, turns this dream into a reality. Chapter 5 is all about automated savings. A game-changing concept that ensures you're saving money without even lifting a finger. Here's how it works. You set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account. This means that every month, a portion of your earnings is automatically saved or invested. It's like clockwork, only this clock keeps adding to your wealth. The beauty of automated savings lies in its simplicity. You set it once, and it just keeps on going, helping you save consistently. No more forgetting to transfer money or falling into the trap of, I'll save what's left at the end of the month. With automated savings, your future is always the first priority. But the advantages don't stop there. Automated savings also helps you resist the temptation to overspend. When money is out of sight, it's out of mind. You're less likely to splurge on those impulse buys when your funds are safely tucked away. So, how do you set it up? It's simpler than you might think. Most banks offer the option to set up automatic transfers. You decide the amount and the date, and voila, you're on your way to building wealth, one automatic transfer at a time. In a nutshell, automated savings is like setting a financial cruise control. It's a set and forget system that helps you build wealth without the stress of manual saving. Automated savings is like having a personal financial assistant that never sleeps. It's there, silently, diligently growing your wealth while you rest, and the best part, it doesn't even ask for a raise. As we conclude this enlightening journey, let's recap the key takeaways from our book. First and foremost, the importance of financial literacy cannot be overstated. It's not just about knowing the difference between a stock and a bond, it's about understanding how money works and how it can work for you. It's about making informed decisions that will positively impact your future. It's about taking control of your finances and by extension your life. Next, we delved into the world of credit cards. The key here is optimization. It's not about shunning them altogether, but learning how to use them to your advantage. Negotiating rates, understanding fees, and leveraging rewards are all part of this equation. Remember, credit cards can be a valuable tool if used wisely. Then we tackled how to beat the banks at their own game. It's about more than just avoiding unnecessary fees. It's about understanding different types of accounts, choosing the right ones, and negotiating for better rates. Because, let's face it, every penny counts. Our journey continued with a deep dive into investing. We debunked myths, shattered fears, and emphasized the importance of starting early. Investing is not just for the rich, it's for everyone who dreams of a secure and comfortable future. Moving on, we explored the concept of conscious spending. It's not about deprivation, but about making deliberate choices. Spend extravagantly on the things you love, but cut mercilessly on the things that don't matter. This approach allows for enjoyment today and security tomorrow. Last but certainly not least, we learned about the power of automated savings. Set it up once, and watch your wealth grow while you sleep. It's about making saving a habit, not a chore. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Remember, financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a tool to build the rich life that you deserve.